She's doing a really helpful video and a dead set serious video and explaining the ins and outs of a caulking gun, except her accent completely undoes it for her.
Before I use my caulk, I thought I would show it to you, but I'll just let it dangle here while we chat. Now, caulk comes in many different colors and sizes, and you can fill gaps and cracks and holes with your caulk. But if your gap or your crack or your hole is small, don't force a bunch of thick caulk in there because it won't work. And if there's already caulk in that crack or hole, don't put your caulk on top of the other caulk because two caulks won't bond. The removal success will depend on whether it's hard caulk or soft caulk. But once it's all clean and you're ready to use your caulk, just squeeze it until you see some of the stuff coming out of the tip. Drag it across the crack and then smooth your caulk with your finger.